Hi kids, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today let's learn alphabet. So let's go. Letter A. A is for apple. Letter B. B is for bear. C. C is for crab. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. Letter F. F is for fox. Letter G. G is for gorilla. Letter H. H is for house. Letter I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jellyfish. Letter K. K is for king. Letter L. L is for lion. Letter M. M is for mango. N. N is for note. O. O is for orange. P. P is for panda. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rabbit. S. S is for strawberry. T. T is for tiger. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for hand. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for X-ray fish. Y. Y is for ear. J. J is for zebra.